Hi, this is Dylan from Velocity Tech Solutions. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a power supply replacement on a PowerEdge 840 server. So first we're going to open up the side. Should obviously have all your power cables disconnected since you're replacing the power supply. So the main thing you're going to need to first do is disconnect all power cables from all components within the machine. So there's the two connectors on the main board. Any connectors to DVD or hard drives, and I currently don't have any hard drives connected, but obviously if you had some, which you should, you would be unplugging those as well. So in order to get the drive or power supply out of the machine, I'm going to unscrew these 4 screws in the rear. Those out. The power supply should be completely loose. Kind of pull it up and out of the machine. Next we'll take your new power supply, line it up so that the holes match up where they were on there. Generally it's with the power facing the bottom, or power plug facing the bottom. Lower it back in. You should see your holes going through the holes on the chassis. Then a screw in each screw. Now with the power supply secure, just reattach all power cables that you had. So again, the 2 main ones on the main board. Anything going to your DVD drives or tape drives up here. Oops. And again, obviously, any hard drives that you've had attached there, replug them in there. And after you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. Anyways, hope this was helpful. Again, this is Dylan from Velocity Tech Solutions, and visit us at velocitytechsolutions.com.